Hello, this is Jim Protectables, and today we're going to have a quick unboxing of the Chicago Sport from Urbanista. And this is the latest offering that they have available now. We've pretty much tested everything in their range. And this is the box here. As usual, it's well presented, as you can see. And what features do we have? We've Bluetooth 4.1. We have 99 decibels for volume. We've got an impedance of 32 ohms plus 15%, and we've got hands-free microphone with volume control, 15 hours or 15 days standby, 7 hours playtime, takes around an hour to charge with micro USB, and it's compatible with iOS, Windows and Android, and they weigh about 23 grams. So let's check them out. So as you can see, it's presented well as always with Urbanista, and we'll pop out the packaging and what we get inside. But first off, we get our information booklet here. This will give us a look of what they have in the range and how to set up and so on with charging and battery life and pairing, which should be pretty standard. And then our Go Fit Sport here, which there's a couple of pairs extra there for different sizes, and you've of course your 1 year warranty and safety instructions in them different languages. Here's our little drawstring bag which we get, which is pretty cool. It's nice to see. And here is our extra buds or tips, Go Fit tips, and there's a couple of pairs in there, as you can see there. And we also have some more here as well, which is excellent. So there's something for everybody there. So in here we get an extra cable here. This is something I haven't seen before in a pair of earbuds. This is your charging cable here. So rather than have one physically on these and take up space, this is separated here, but it just connects on like so, and you charge like this. So that's a pretty cool idea. I haven't seen that before, but it's something new, and it's always nice to see something new and different. And I just want to try and connect it to my laptop there now and see if there's any indicator light. Yes, and it charges like so. There's the indicator light there to tell us it's charged, connecting to our PC. So that's a pretty neat idea. I like that. So this is the cement blue, and it's the sport version, and they look pretty cool indeed. And also, as I've mentioned, they have magnetized ends. So that's also cool. It's nice to see that being brought across most headphones these days. And as you can see, they just meet up like so. And we also have some Go Fit tips here already as standard, and that's pretty nice to see. So we'll take this off and have a look, and this is what it will look like without the tip itself on it. So it's pretty simple setup. So with the inline remote here, we have our usual buttons here, and we have our center button here too, and they're nice and clicky and tactile, and you can easily navigate these blindly too with such a simple setup like so, which is also very handy. And they look pretty strong, and they'll take quite a few knocks. The colour is really nice too. It's different than traditional black colours where we tend to see quite a lot of. So that's just a quick unboxing. Stay tuned for reviews soon at techbuzzorn.com. Any questions, as usual, it is up below. We'll talk to you in the next one.